Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at AvaFutures. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. AvaFutures, a cutting-edge futures trading platform powered by AvaTrade, is designed to revolutionize the retail futures trading experience. This platform provides a seamless account opening process, enabling traders to start trading swiftly with minimal hassle. AvaFutures offers a transparent pricing model with attractive commissions and no hidden fees, ensuring a fair trading environment for all users. Founded on the principles of transparency and reliability, AvaFutures offers a diverse range of futures contracts across various asset classes. Their commitment to technological innovation ensures that traders have access to real-time market data, robust analytical tools, and state-of-the-art risk management features. Beyond its technological prowess, AvaFutures distinguishes itself through a customer-centric approach, providing educational resources, responsive customer support, and a secure trading environment. Whether you are looking to hedge risks, capitalize on market opportunities, or diversify your investment portfolio, AvaFutures stands as a trusted partner in navigating the dynamic futures market landscape. With a global presence and a commitment to excellence, AvaFutures continues to set new standards in futures trading, empowering individuals and institutions alike to thrive in today's fast-paced financial markets. The platform offers a comprehensive array of market instruments across various asset classes, catering to the diverse trading needs of investors globally. Their platform enables traders to access a wide range of futures contracts, including commodities, currencies, indices, treasuries, and cryptocurrencies. With a commitment to transparency, liquidity, and technological innovation, AvaFutures ensures that traders have access to real-time market data, advanced trading tools, and robust risk management features. Whether traders are seeking to capitalize on market volatility, manage risk exposure, or diversify their investment strategies, their extensive range of market instruments provides the flexibility and reliability needed to navigate the futures market with confidence. AvaFutures, in conjunction with its partner AvaTrade, operates under rigorous regulatory oversight to ensure the highest standards of financial conduct and client satisfaction. AvaFutures is committed to transparency and regulatory compliance, adhering to the guidelines and regulations established by respective financial authorities. This commitment extends to AvaTrade, which is regulated in multiple jurisdictions globally, including the Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Commission, among many other regulatory bodies. By operating within these regulatory frameworks, AvaFutures and AvaTrade provide traders with peace of mind, knowing that their funds are held securely and that they are trading on a platform that upholds stringent regulatory standards. This dedication to regulatory compliance underscores their commitment to maintaining trust, integrity, and reliability within the financial markets. AvaFutures and AvaTrade offer an innovative affiliate program through their affiliate platform, AvaPartner, designed for individuals and businesses looking to capitalize on the growing demand for futures trading. AvaPartner provides a lucrative opportunity to earn commissions by referring clients to the AvaTrade Advanced Trading Platform. Affiliates partnering with AvaPartner benefit from competitive commission structures, tailored marketing tools, and dedicated support to maximize their earning potential. Whether targeting individual traders or institutional clients, the platform equips affiliates with comprehensive resources to attract and retain referrals effectively. With a commitment to transparency and reliability, their affiliate program through AvaPartner ensures that affiliates receive timely payouts and access to performance analytics to track their success. This collaborative approach fosters a mutually beneficial relationship, empowering affiliates to leverage the industry-leading platform's reputation and technological expertise in futures trading. AvaFutures offers a state-of-the-art trading platform designed to cater to the diverse needs of futures traders worldwide. Their platform combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly interfaces, providing seamless access to a wide range of futures contracts across various asset classes. AvaFutures offers the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, a trading platform renowned for its advanced features and versatility. MetaTrader 5 enhances traders' capabilities with access to a wide range of futures contracts across diverse asset classes. The MetaTrader 5 platform is celebrated for its powerful analytical tools, customizable charts, and automated trading capabilities through expert advisors. Traders can execute complex trading strategies with precision, supported by real-time market data and extensive historical data for thorough analysis. Security and reliability are also paramount with the MetaTrader 5 platform, ensuring encrypted communication and secure access to trading accounts. The platform's user-friendly interface caters to traders of all levels, enabling seamless navigation and efficient trade execution across desktop, web, and mobile devices. Additionally, AvaFutures equips traders with a comprehensive suite of advanced trading tools designed to enhance their trading experience and optimize performance in futures markets. These tools are meticulously crafted to provide traders with the necessary insights and capabilities to make informed decisions and execute trades efficiently. Some of the key trading tools offered by AvaFutures include real-time market data feeds, empowering traders to identify patterns and trends crucial for market trading decisions. Risk management tools also play a crucial role in the AvaFutures platform, offering features such as stop-loss orders, limit orders, and margin calculators to help traders manage and mitigate risk effectively. Additionally, customizable trading dashboards allow traders to personalize their workspace, prioritizing information and tools relevant to their trading strategies. For those seeking automated trading solutions, AvaFutures provides access to expert advisors and algorithmic trading capabilities, enabling traders to automate trade execution based on predefined strategies and parameters. The platform's commitment to innovation and client satisfaction is reflected in their diverse and sophisticated array of trading tools, designed to empower traders of all levels to navigate and succeed in the dynamic futures markets. Opening an account with AvaFutures offers traders a multitude of benefits designed to enhance their futures trading experience. As a leading platform at the forefront of innovation in futures trading, AvaFutures prioritizes transparency, reliability, and client satisfaction. Traders benefit from access to a wide range of futures contracts across various asset classes. This diversity enables traders to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on market opportunities across global markets. Additionally, security is paramount at AvaFutures, with stringent measures in place to protect clients' funds and personal information. Clients can trade with peace of mind, knowing that their transactions are secure and that their interests are safeguarded. Additionally, AvaFutures provides exceptional customer support, ensuring that traders receive timely assistance and guidance whenever needed. Educational resources and market insights further empower traders to stay informed and make informed trading decisions. Opening an account with AvaFutures grants traders access to a reliable, technologically advanced platform supported by comprehensive tools, robust security measures, and dedicated customer service, making it a preferred choice for both novice and futures traders alike. AvaFutures offers a streamlined and secure process for depositing and withdrawing funds, ensuring convenience and reliability for traders worldwide. Traders can choose from a variety of payment methods to fund their accounts, including bank transfers, credit and debit cards, as well as popular e-wallet services. The deposit process is straightforward, allowing traders to transfer funds swiftly into their trading accounts to start trading futures contracts immediately. AvaFutures prioritizes security during deposits, employing encryption protocols to safeguard financial transactions and personal information. Similarly, withdrawing funds from accounts is seamless, with multiple withdrawal options available to accommodate diverse trader preferences. Traders can request withdrawals through their chosen payment method, with transactions processed effectively to ensure timely access to funds. AvaFutures adheres to strict regulatory standards and internal policies to facilitate transparent and effective deposit and withdrawal processes. Their commitment to client satisfaction extends to providing responsive customer support to assist traders throughout the deposit and withdrawal journey. Overall, their flexible deposit and withdrawal methods, coupled with their commitment to security and reliability, contribute to a positive trading experience for clients seeking convenience and peace of mind in managing their funds. AvaFutures is dedicated to empowering traders with comprehensive educational resources designed to enhance their understanding and proficiency in futures trading. Recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading, AvaFutures offers a range of educational materials accessible to traders of all levels. Their educational resources include articles, tutorials, webinars, and video content covering essential topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and platform tutorials. These resources are crafted to cater to both novice traders looking to build foundational knowledge and experienced traders seeking to refine their skills and stay updated on market trends. The platform's commitment to education extends beyond theoretical knowledge, offering practical insights and real-world examples to help traders navigate the complexities of futures markets confidently. Whether traders are exploring new trading strategies or seeking to deepen their understanding of technical analysis, the platform's educational resources provide valuable insights and actionable information. Additionally, their educational initiatives are complemented by personalized support from their customer service team, ensuring that traders receive assistance and guidance whenever needed. By fostering a learning-centric environment, AvaFutures equips traders with the tools and knowledge necessary to make informed trading decisions and achieve their financial goals. AvaFutures provides traders with timely and insightful news and analysis, catering to their need for informed decision-making in the dynamic futures markets. Through their platform, AvaFutures delivers comprehensive market updates, breaking news, and in-depth analysis across various asset classes. Traders benefit from access to real-time market data, expert commentary, and technical analysis reports, enabling them to stay informed about significant market developments and potential trading opportunities. The platform's commitment to delivering accurate and relevant information empowers traders to navigate market volatility effectively and make informed trading decisions. They also offer educational resources and webinars that delve into market trends, economic indicators, and geopolitical events impacting global markets. This holistic approach ensures that traders not only stay updated on current market conditions, but also gain insights into long-term market trends and potential investment strategies. Their news and analysis section reflects their dedication to providing traders with the tools and information needed to succeed in futures trading. And by fostering a well-informed trading community, AvaFutures helps traders stay ahead of the curve and maximize their trading potential in competitive financial markets. AvaFutures has earned recognition and accolades in the financial industry, reflecting its commitment to excellence and innovation in futures trading. The platform has garnered several prestigious awards for its advanced trading technology, customer service excellence, and commitment to regulatory compliance. Some of their most recent awards include the Most Trusted Broker of 2023, the Most Reliable Trading Platform in the UK, the Best Affiliate Program, Most Innovative Broker, and many other awards. These awards underscore the platform's leadership in providing traders with a secure and reliable trading environment, supported by cutting-edge trading platforms and robust risk management tools. The platform's dedication to transparency, customer satisfaction, and technological advancement has positioned it as a trusted choice among traders globally. Overall, AvaFutures stands as a premier destination for futures trading, distinguished by its unwavering commitment to technological innovation, comprehensive client support, and adherence to regulatory standards. Through its advanced trading platforms and robust suite of tools, AvaFutures empowers traders worldwide to navigate the complexities of global markets with confidence. Beyond its cutting-edge technology, AvaFutures prioritizes transparency and security, ensuring that traders can engage with confidence in a secure trading environment. The platform's dedication to regulatory compliance further underscores its credibility and commitment to maintaining high standards of integrity. Not to mention their comprehensive educational resources and personalized customer support contribute to its reputation as a trusted partner for traders of all levels. Whether navigating market volatility or exploring new trading strategies, AvaFutures remains dedicated to providing clients with the knowledge and tools necessary to thrive in today's dynamic financial markets. Ultimately, AvaFutures continues to lead by example, setting benchmarks for excellence and innovation in futures trading. As traders' needs evolve, AvaFutures remains poised to adapt and innovate, ensuring continued success and satisfaction for its global community of traders. And that is our overview of AvaFutures. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.